Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn your notes step by step. First, begin by actively recalling information. Within 24 hours of taking notes, review them briefly. Try to summarize the main points in your own words without looking at your original material. This initial recall helps solidify about 50% of what you've learned. Identify any concepts that are unclear. These are your targets for deeper study. Next, deepen your understanding through active engagement. Make flashcards for crucial terms and definitions. This is a proven method for memorization. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud to an imaginary audience or even a pet. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Visualizing information through diagrams or mind maps can also help you see the bigger picture and how different ideas link together. Now let's talk about spaced repetition and practice. Don't just review once. Revisit your notes at increasing intervals, perhaps after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This spaced repetition is incredibly effective for long-term memory. Actively work through practice problems or questions derived from your notes. Self-testing is crucial. It helps you identify exactly what you know and what still needs more work. Finally, consolidate your learning and prepare for application. Integrate new information with what you already know, building a robust mental framework. One of the most powerful learning techniques is to teach the material to someone else. Explaining concepts clearly to another person forces you to truly understand them. Before any assessment, perform a thorough, final review of all your notes to ensure complete readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.